I'm back to Jarau's channel once again. I'm going to show you how to buy USDT on Binance P2P. So you go to click on wallet, which is at the extreme corner here. Click on wallet. After that, you can choose P2P trading or finding wallets. But in this example, I'm going to use P2P trading. So then here you can, these are the traders we have. There's Dalima, there's Santa, there's Alin, Nasp, and then all these are the traders available. So the traders on top are it continues as the highest amount. I mean, this 384, 3842, 3843. So the ones on top are 44 are the cheapest. So you can also, let's do this. So you can choose any of these depending on the amount of USDT you want to buy. So this person here, I want to buy USDT of roughly 190,000, so 185 around there. So this person I cannot buy with this person. This person's limit is 680,000. The next person is 1.1 million. The next person down here is 10,000, but uses cheaper cash. The other person is Tisha Crypto. I would use it, but this person uses only cheaper cash, so I cannot use that person. So to simplify my order, I can type the amount I have here, so I have 184, I think 184,000. So when I type this amount, I'm going to be given and also confirm, and also the payment method. I'm going to choose Airtel payment method, Airtel. So they're going to send me people who are in that range. So these are the people who are in that range. There's this person, King Weber 3849. But unfortunately the person is restricted, so I cannot use that person. So the next nearest person is the Great. So I'm going to click on buy. I'm going to click on buy from the Great. Click on buy, and then the amount, you click on the fiat amount. Click on the fiat amount. I said let's say 183,000, and then you click on buy with 0 fees. Buy. Okay, you can read the terms before let's read the terms before we continue. Let us read the terms of this person. What are the terms? Trade info. The trade limit is 15 minutes. The seller's nickname is the Great, and then and the terms, in case I'm offline, message me on this. So okay, so after reading the terms and you agree to them, you can click on buy with buy. You click on buy. So the Great, Binance is holding the seller's crypto in the escrow account. Check the sellers. So next, see, this is my first time to buy USDT on Binance P2P, so that's why I'm being given this interface. So next, check the seller's information and chat. We shall check the chat later. Click the button to review, make payment information. Okay, so we have to make payment. So I have to make payment to this person. So the first thing to do is I have to make payment to this person. I have to make payment. Let's remove this, make payment. So this is the money I'm supposed to send. So leave the Binance app on the banking platform, and then so I'm supposed to, this is the phone number I'm supposed to transfer the money to. You can see here, this is the phone number I'm supposed to transfer the money to. So I copy this phone number and then I transfer the money. After I've transferred the money, I'm going to get back to you. So I've left the Binance app and I'm going to send money to this person. So this is how we do it in Uganda using Airtel Money. You just click on 185 hash, and then you choose option 1, send money, Airtel number, and then the phone number of this person, and then the person's name. The amount is 183,000, and then this is the person's name, and then I enter my PIN to continue. So after you send the money to the person's account, you click on this down here, transferred. So notify the seller. So I've transferred the money, so I'm going to notify the person. So I click on this, transferred, notify seller. So confirm receipt. You must leave the Binance platform to complete. I've finished this. Upload payment proof. I've read the terms. Let me upload payment proof. Let me take. So I'm going to upload the payment proof. Allow Binance. I just took a screenshot, so click on this. The recent screenshot is here. I'm going to send to the person. So not transferred, notify seller. So the person is going to see the payment proof. I've sent it. So and then I wait for the person to release for me the crypto. So after a few minutes, the person who bought my crypto deposited for me the USDT, and the message is here: deposited into your 47.53 USDT deposited into your funding wallet. And there's also a message which is here: Binance order has been completed in your wallet. So that is how you buy USDT on Binance P2P. So after that, you can click on done, or you can even check the wallet. So after that, let's go back. Let's check the wallet. Okay, let's check our wallet later. Let's go back. So we now have 47 USDT. Network anomaly. The network is a bit bad. Yes, I've refreshed and the network is okay. So you can see so it's in the funding wallet. The funding wallet is here, 47 USDT. So that is how you buy USDT on Binance P2P. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment and follow. Thank you.